Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today you are very vertical. I've never made a YouTube video like this before, but it is really good for this type of video because today we are talking all about outfits and specifically handmade outfits. So I've done a lot of sewing and crochet and knitting in my life, especially within the last few years because I am a fashion student. So I make a lot of clothing. And I have the opportunity to wear handmade clothing all the time. And I do multiple times a week. But something I've never done is wear an outfit that is completely handmade. I am right now. This whole outfit I made, even down to my socks. And it's such a really cool feeling. So this video is all about wearing handmade outfits the whole week. So we are starting off strong. Currently it is Monday, and this is my outfit of today. It's a little later in the evening, so it's got a little bit of wear, but I love it. Let me just talk you through it a little bit. So I first made this shirt. This is actually the very first button-down collared shirt I ever made, and it was for my very first sewing class at my college. It was online though. Anyways, it was so cool to be able to make a button-up collared shirt for the first time, and I still get tons and tons of wear out of this shirt. It's like this kind of denim, a light denim, and so it's really good for pairing with stuff. And then I have this vest, which is a more recent make. I finished it right at the end of summer, and what a cool thing. I've gotten so much use out of this granny square vest. If you follow me on my other platforms, you've probably seen this vest like a million times because I wear it all the time. And the reason why is because it's got so many colors. It's so easy to pair with anything. Like with these other outfits I've planned, this could have gone with any of those outfits. Like seriously, it's so versatile, and just I'm so glad it's part of my wardrobe because it has really added to it. And I don't think it's ever something that I'm gonna stop wearing because it's just like, again, so versatile. So the next thing is my viola pants, which is a sewing pattern that I made at the start of last year, and I've also gotten tons of wear out of these. Maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. There's two panels, so the inside panels are kind of textured and the outside are just plain material, but they're such a cool pair of pants. I have always been really inspired by two-toned jeans, and I've made a pair, and I really wanted to make a pattern that people could buy and then create their own two-tone jeans, or like this one is just like a different textured jeans, but like basically two panels. So yeah, that's my outfit for the first day. Oh, and then also the socks that I knitted. I did that over winter break this year. Anyways, yeah, that's my first outfit on Monday. We're gonna go all the way through to Sunday. So I hope you're excited for this video. I'm excited to be able to catch up with you guys every day this week. While I'm showing you guys all of these outfits, I'll mention which ones are my patterns, which are purchasable, and I will have a link to my Etsy down below if you're interested in checking them out. Here is my outfit for day 2. Today both of these I actually made in the same class like 2 years ago at this point. It was quite a while ago. But they're amazing, and I wear, especially these pants, like all of the time. One thing that I didn't make is this shirt. I don't really have a lot of t-shirts. You'll notice that a lot in this video is like everything else I've made, but the t-shirts, like, I just haven't really made that many t-shirts. And so, that's the only thing I haven't made. But I made these nice linen pants. They are so comfy. And, like, it's the middle of winter right now. Like, there's tons of snow outside. But I'm still wearing linen pants because actually, like, they still keep me kind of warm. I don't know how, but they do. And then I have this plaid shirt I made. It's the very first plaid shirt I made. Well, I guess the only one I made. But like for this project, we're supposed to match up all of the plaid lines. So you can see on this side seam that all of these horizontal lines match up. And it's like that on the shoulder seams as well. If you can tell, there's a pocket right here, but you can hardly tell because it blends in perfectly with the plaid pattern. But yeah, that's my outfit today. I am going to school, so let me just show you my outfit. Let me show you my jacket is what I meant. Like I said in a video a little bit ago, or last week's video, I have made jackets before, but this is my most recent make, and here's me wearing it today. This is seriously like the best jacket I've ever worn. I love it so much. So yeah, that is the outfit for day 2. Here's today's outfit. We are on day 3, and today we have a really cozy number. Today's outfit is all about relaxation. And I planned this outfit because I knew I was going to have a day where I just needed to rest from work, from school, from all of my day stuff. You know, I still did work this morning. I still had some school meetings, but for the most part, I'm just lounging. I just wanted to lay back a little bit, take my time. So yeah, this is today's outfit. So these pants are a version of the Annie shorts, but obviously pants version. They're so comfy. I love these pants. I wear them all the time. They're maybe not like the most flattering cut, but they're definitely the comfiest. Personally, I love a pair of baggy pants, so this does everything for me. And also, like, I feel totally comfortable. Like, I don't need to worry about bloating, and I don't need to worry about my butt not looking right. Like, it doesn't matter because these pants are the comfiest ever. And it doesn't matter. Like, you can wear them and just be comfy, you know? Anyways, so this is a version of the Annie pants. Annie shorts, I guess. This shirt, not a pattern. I made this shirt probably over 2 years ago at this point, but I've gotten so much use out of it. So basically, this was a large polo shirt. Doesn't look like it now, does it? Yeah. So basically, I just like shortened a lot so I could avoid that button band that goes down the front of polo shirts. So I just went and cut right underneath that button band to create the neckline, and then just yeah, just created a little shirt out of it. The sleeves are much smaller too, and it is like such a flattering cut. I love this shirt so much, maybe a little too much, but it's a really great hack. I've done it with another polo shirt too. I don't think I have that shirt anymore, but it's just like a really good hack, especially if you find a polo shirt with just like a really good color or a good stripe. Like, I don't really like wearing polo shirts. Like, I have, but I really like to. So this for me is the best. And honestly, I should do this more often. Like, what I'm seeing is that I'm lacking some t-shirts in my wardrobe, so I should just go and get some polo shirts to make into t-shirts. That's a good idea. I'm gonna write that down. Anyways, this is outfit 3. Not everything you sew has to be extraordinary and like over the top. Like, I have made so many things that are over the top and I love them. But it's nice to just have like basics in your wardrobe too, and things that you can, things that you can wear like on an off day and on a day you just want to sit around, you know? So anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Hi, welcome to day 4. So this is my 4th homemade outfit. This one is homemade except for the t-shirt. I really gotta make some t-shirts, you guys. Today I'm going thrifting. I'm gonna bring you along, but that will be in a different video. Well, I made both of these in recent videos actually. This one is a thrift flipped, so it's totally different. It was really, really massive and also like really long too. And now it's this cute little cropped vest moment. And then these pants are my Rhoda pants, but in a more classier version. They're not like cargo pants, they're just like trousers more like. But yeah, honestly, they've been a big hit, except for my teacher. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know. But anyways, this is today's fit for day 4, and I love it. I love that the vest is shiny and the pants are also shiny. It's a moment. Also, anytime I go out, I put my hair in a ponytail. I used to never be a ponytail girl until I got bangs, but now I've been doing it literally all the time. Yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Here's my outfit for day 5. This beautiful red, kind of like cranberry red jumper. I'll be honest with you, I don't wear this jumper as much as I should. And the reason why is because to me it kind of looks like a spring summer vibe, but it's very thick. I double lined it, so it's got like 2 layers of fabric through the whole thing, and so it's pretty warm, so it's not really like nice for wearing during the summer or spring. I guess it might be good for spring. Anyways, I'm glad I put it on because I want to wear it more often because I do really like it. Sometimes another thing is sometimes I feel like it makes me look like bloated, which like I am, but it like emphasizes it sometimes, so that might be another reason why I don't wear it as often. But like honestly, it's like pretty comfortable, and even if I didn't wear it out, I should at least wear it at home because it is like pretty comfortable. So yeah, kind of like a basic outfit sewing wise. This shirt, I didn't really make this shirt, I just like cropped it, and you can't even see that. But it was like super long. Now it's like more here, much more flattering. But yeah, that's my outfit. If I was going to pair a jacket of my choice with it, this is what it would be. I would probably pair this rain jacket with it. It's a little bit too cold for that now, but this would be great for like springtime and also fall. This is a pattern that's coming eventually. I'm basically just waiting for the semester to end before finishing like all of these patterns I have lined up. But then as soon as I finish this semester, I'm gonna have a lot more time on my hands, I'm assuming. So that's when like all of these patterns are gonna be coming out. I keep touching the frame behind me. Anyways, this is the jacket I would pair with it if it was warm enough, but it's not, so I'll probably wear a different jacket. But yeah, there's my outfit for day 5. Okay, on second thought, I would actually probably pair this granny square cardigan with it instead. I like kind of forgot about it, and this would be such a cute outfit. It's really, really cute. There is a video tutorial for this if you want it. I will link it up here and also in the description down below. But yeah, I might actually wear this today, I don't know. This outfit has always been or both of these pieces have always been a favorite of mine. I made this quilted vest probably like exactly a year ago, and it's been a really big hit and I love to wear it too. I definitely want to make another one of these and more of like just kind of like springy vibes. Maybe also more neutral too, but it's definitely like a fan favorite. I have a free tutorial for this. I'll have it linked above, but also down below if you want to check it out. It also has a free pattern, so yeah. And then I also am wearing my Rhoda cargo pants. These are my favorite, and I think they're also going to be one of my most popular Etsy patterns. They have just like been the best. Like, I really love them. I love wearing them. I've loved all of the results that I have made from this pattern. Again, the other thing that I didn't make for this outfit was a t-shirt. It's a reoccurring theme, so I definitely need to make more of them. But yeah, so here we go. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, today is the last day of our wearing all handmade outfits for an entire week. Today is easier because it's just a dress. I had church this morning, so that's why I'm wearing a dress. But yeah, this is the Celia dress. This is the very first version I made. I altered this dress a few videos ago, and now I love wearing it. To me, I think it's a very flattering fit. It doesn't like hug the waist, which means it's super comfy. I just love it so much. Anyways, that is the entire video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I thought it was really fun. Kind of took a lot out of me to figure out how to put these outfits together, because obviously like a lot of my wardrobe is from handmade stuff, but a lot of it also is not, and so I really had to think about how to combine the things that I have made to create outfits. And like something that was definitely missing at my wardrobe is handmade t-shirts. I definitely need more of those, so that's going to be an upcoming video, I think, is making a t-shirt, because I just need more of them. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you did. Also subscribe to my channel, because that would be awesome. But thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.